Looking for affordable homes near the city and live comfortable? Well, this video is for you. In this video, I will tell you all about this place called the Langkris Residence, especially here in Diamond Tower.
When a little while from now, if I'm not feeling any lesser, I promise myself to treat myself and visit a nearby tower. And climbing to the top, will throw myself off in an effort to make clear to whoever what it's like when you're shattered, left standing in the lurch.
This is one of the units that are currently available. Well, why don't we take a look inside and let's see if it's beautiful. So, this is what it looks like inside of the unit. As you can see here, this is the bathroom on the first floor, of course. It is small, but it's comfortable and it's pretty cute for a small unit. As you can see here, the sink, and this is the bowl. And look, you can even put something in there, and that's all for the bathroom. We will now proceed to the kitchen. So this is what the kitchen looks like in the first floor. As you can see here, it's pretty much wide. We will now proceed to the bedrooms. As you can see here, this is a small bedroom for your kids on your family, especially if they want to have a bedroom. Don't miss this exciting chance and experience for them. This is the lounge area where you can chill and have some fun with your families or friends. And for the last room, this is the master bedroom. As you can see here, you can fit a king size bed and it has a great view outside. This is the view from the balcony every single night. As you can see here, it has a great view. You can see the midnight sky and you can watch the stars every night. Aside from the units, there are many things to enjoy here. For example, this area of the swimming pool. As you can see here, this is where you gather with your friends or families, and this is the swimming pool area. You can see the crystal clear water. Look at that wave. See that? And this is the badminton court. You can see here, it's pretty much wide, and you can play here with your again families and friends. As you can see here, it is pretty wide for a badminton. And this is the pool area, not the swimming pool, pool as in the gaming area. I guess that's it. Now I will give you a pretty quick montage about the place.
Here in town, you slowly let it go. Are you turning off your phone? Ooh, feeling still cold.
I really hope that you enjoyed this video and made you feel interested about becoming part of our residence. For more videos like this, please follow me and make sure that you are stay updated for more units and for more affordable homes to live comfortably with your family or by yourself. Thank you so much guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.